Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in today. I have a big box on the floor that you guys saw on the thumbnail from Boxycharm. I bought some items. I think this was still like whatever sale was still going on. Probably the Mega Drop is coming up. I don't know what the other one's called. Add-ons. I honestly don't. Drop Shop, I think it is. So I just got two items. The first item is from, and these are, this brand is pretty good, Dew of the Gods, and these are nose pore minimizing vacuum strips. I have so many blackheads on my nose. It drives me crazy, and I like them constantly taking care of it, but they keep on coming back. So these are in the cute little tins, and I think these are cute. Forget what I got from them before. So right here, and I gave it away. I don't think I kept it. Put it in the giveaway. So these, you know, in here are just the nose. I shouldn't say just. I forget how many are in here. I'll tell you. This is little nose strips. Let me see. I think it does tell you on here somewhere. 8 strips. But I like the cute little container. So I ordered that. That was $5. Is that what I said? Yes. I'm just going to put this out of the way. Now I just took everything out of the big outer box because I wanted to get rid of the outer box. And this is this box right here. So I have not even opened it yet. So let's get on with this. I'm telling you, Oreo is cruising. She is antsy right now, and I don't know what her issue is. You can hear her shaking in the background. I don't know what the deal is, honestly. Just knocked all my packages on the floor that were over there. I don't know what she wants. So this box is, I don't know if I can get this out easily, so let me tell you what this is, and then I'll see if I can get it out of the box. I did mention this in a previous video. This is from Boxycharm, and this is a makeup organizer. This was $34.99, and I had to get it. Like I said, I love getting like Ipsy merch, Boxy merch. I think it's adorable. Let me see if I can get this out of the box. Let me just see if I can turn this upside down and, what's that lid? That's something. Oh, okay. Maybe now I can get it out. Okay, I think so. Okay, when I didn't knock the camera, how nice it is. So let's just take this off. Oh, nice. It's upside down, but that's me. I didn't open it upside down. Let's get rid of that foam. I hate foam. It gets everywhere. Let me see if I can turn this way. And then take it out. Now oh my goodness. I mean, it's packaged very well. I'll give them that. And this, you know, is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I figured it would be tiny. Now we can get that box out of here. And I have foam everywhere, which I hate that stuff. It just like sticks to everything. I just gotta flick it sometimes. So this is what it looks like. I mean, this is big. This is not tiny. Let me take the plastic off without ruining it and see what it looks like. I thought this would be great, and this would be great for like a vanity. I mean, I don't have room out here, I don't believe, to put this because this is bigger than I thought. Usually when you order stuff like this, you see it and it's real tiny, but this actually is true to size from what I saw and thought. I could put this in my bathroom. Let's get into this, all this stuff. And I'll just show it to you. Once again, now the plastic's off right here. So here, there are drawers right here. So here's a drawer, decent. Another drawer on the other side, you know, of the same size right there. And I'll get some photos of this. And then one bigger drawer at the bottom that would hold quite a bit of stuff. I like the little bit, I'm not a big fan of the gold, but that's okay. And then this opens. Let me see how this opens. Okay. Oh, this side first. Oh, and it is magnetized. Oh, nice. What is some of the paperwork? And it comes with these little silica things. I have to be careful with them with Oreo. And it comes with the, of course, it's not in English. Square cosmetic storage case is what it says. So there's a little picture. I don't really need that. Let me see if I can get rid of this. So in here, Okay, so these doors do open and they are magnetized. You can store a lot of things in there, put your setting sprays, stack up your big pots like of setting powders, unless they would fit in the drawer, which is very possible. These drawers are pretty deep. But what I love, and I guess I'm going to have to pick this up again, in the doors, oh, this is difficult. Oh, in the doors, you can see the slots right here to put lipstick. So let me get a few just to show you. I'm going to pull like some ochre, because that was my first. I don't even have the ochre right yet. Oh, like I'll pull out my drawer here of some ochre lips, put them there. Some of my other ochres that I love. I have a little Tarte product, and I have a YSL lipstick. So that's, and then when you close it, when it's closed, well, of course it's got wants to fall, but hopefully I can keep it so you can see it. So you can see, you can put your lipstick in the doors. So you can put, I think 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the end ones, I don't know if you can get more than one in the end from the angle. Let me see. Yes, on the end, this very end one here, like I have 2. Keep on. Like I have 2 products, so you can do 2, 3, 4. You can put 6 lips on each side. I'll get these back the way I had them. I don't like to mess with my order of my product because it's in order. So this drawer was a lot of my ochre. I might put in here like a lot of my MAC bullets that I use, but I also could put them in a drawer. And the drawers do not come out. So that seems nice up here. And then from what I understand, there was a mirror at the top. Does it just come up? How does this work? Oh, so it comes up the other. Oh, how nice. I don't know if I can show you that, can I? Oh, and then the mirror pops up from the top. And here's the mirror. I love that. So if you're sitting, like if this was like sitting here or sitting out behind me and I wanted to do my makeup, this is adjustable. If I was standing, I could aim it up higher, aim it down. Does this have a, oh, and it's lit. Not very bright, but it's lit. So at least you can, okay, how do you put it off? Oh, and it dulls down. If you press it, it comes back up. Right. Nice. Let's press it again. Get it to go down. And that's not off, but how do you put it off? Oh, you just one press for off. So then that then just comes back up and just rests in the top. This is so adorable. I love it. And that's deep. I mean, I am all the way in, like up to here. In the inside. Oh, I'm excited. I could put a lot. You could put a lot of your daily makeup in this. And this bottom drawer is massive. Oh, and here is the, this came undone. The charger to charge, probably for the mirror. That was nice. I was like, where? Like, if that's, I was like, is that battery or? So this is a charge, little charging thing. Where do you charge that? Let me close this up. Here, let me look the back. I don't see. Let me see. And this just comes up. Oh, I see. In the very back is the port to charge that, and you know, you just store that in the drawer. This is adorable. I love it. I mean, I guess I could put it out here, put it in the corner, and just keep my everyday stuff in there. Nice. It's a big drawer. You could put a lot of product in there, foundations and primers and all that stuff. Oh, I'm so happy I ordered that. That was definitely worth $35. And I'm getting text. Why people? I don't know why people are texting me this. It's not early. So I am happy with that. I'm happy with the other product, the nose strips from Do With The Gods. Definitely worth it. Yeah, this came from China, made in China, Dynasty USA. I don't, so it measures, that's all centimeters, so that doesn't help. I wish they would do inches. I know it comes from a foreign country, so it's not inches, but centimeters. If you want to convert it, there's the measurements. Pretty big, it's not tiny. And I don't know where, oh, where is she hiding behind me? She's laying down behind me. My heart breaks for this poor little girl. Please keep her in your thoughts until she gets better. She's struggling right now, which is, you know, lack of sleep. She's just like, when I was filming my Ipsy, she was running all over the place, jumping, knocking stuff, knocking my light back. I'm like, no, you're going to break the bulb. Like, I don't care about the bulb. I have replacements, but I don't want to get hurt with glass. She's just very antsy sometimes, and we're working on it. Her vet, myself and her, we're dealing with it, and she's up and about now. So I just don't think she knows what to do with herself sometimes, honestly. But I'm going to see maybe if she wants to go out. She's, you know, I wish she would just settle and just relax. She's right here. She has to wear, I'll pick her up. She's not going to be in the Bully Make video this week. She's got to wear a little, like one of the little, it's like the e-collars instead of the cone. It's like a blow-up collar that hooks to her collar underneath. But it's nice and soft, and she can rest her head on it and go to sleep. But like I said, she just got this on today. She's been wearing the cone, you know, the typical e-collars. And so I don't know if this is throwing her off a little bit. You know, she has her t-shirt on just so, you know, everything is good. But I had to skip her groomer appointment last week because I didn't, you know, just didn't want to put her through anything else. But I don't know how much she's loving this or not. It's better than the cone because her whole face was blocked. Poor thing. I mean, so we've had multiple sleepless nights, or, you know, just getting a couple hours. And of course, you know, she settles right back down after 10, 15 minutes. And then I'm up at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, when I went to bed at 12, 1 o'clock. So we just got to get her through over the hump here and get her feeling better and get everything, you know, under control. And then she'll be fine. But I'm not going to put her in the Bully Make video. I filmed the first half with me doing the unboxing. But I just think it's best if I don't put her in trying anything. I was going to put photos, or I'm just not going to do it. But I'll put a little, I'll film a little something later before I finish. I have one more box to film. And then just say, look, I'm not going to show her right now. Let her get better and let her rest. But I don't want to start to do that and then her be antsy or, you know, all over the place. So that's a little bit more explained in my Bully Make video. So make sure you watch that if you want the explanation. I'm not going to get into it on this one. But thanks all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And Oreo and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye now.